Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today I want to show you a product that will come in very handy for anybody who is frequently losing items in your home, or if you want to put it in your car just in case your car was stolen, you can track where your car is actually being driven or taken to. It works with the Find My on your phone, and as you know, the AirTag is the exact same thing. Now, a 4-pack of AirTags at this time of this video would cost you $78.99 for 4 Apple AirTags. This product here is actually a 4-pack and it costs you $48.99. The thing that I like about this one is this one comes with the holder to secure it to your key ring. Where the Apple AirTag, as you know, it does not come with the holder. You need to purchase the holder separately. All right, so let's open it up. Let's see what it is and how it actually works, and then we'll set it all up and we'll see how it functions with the Find My app on my phone. All right, and just so you know, this is the model number here itself. The model number is actually ANNN, and it's the tag. That's what it is. All right, so let's open it up and let's see what we get inside the package. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we'll see exactly what comes with it. Okay, so it fell right out of the case, it's ready. All right, there's 4 of them here. As I said, it comes with the piece that you attach it to your car, your key ring, whatever you want to track. It actually goes right through just like this, and then you bring this through here like that, and now you can put this on your key ring so you can track where the item is. But let's set it up and let's see how it works. First thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the manual and find out how to do it. Let's see, it locates notification, has a notification. It seems to work very, very similar to the AirTags. Let's open it up and let's find out how to set it up. It says first to press and hold the button for about 3 seconds until you hear the device emit a prompt sound. Then the device powers on. Press and hold again to power off the device. So with this device, you could turn it off and on. I believe with the AirTag, you cannot turn it off and on. With this one, you can, if you choose to turn it off so it cannot be tracked or whatever. All right, so first thing we'll do, let's set it up on the phone, and we'll see. Open up the Find My app, built into your Apple iPhone. So let's take our phone, let's open it up. We're going to go to the Find My. So we're going to do this off the camera just so you can't see exactly where I'm located, and we're going to add a device to it. I'm going to turn this on. Okay, it's on. It says searching. Okay, it found the AirTag. I will show you this. It did find the AirTag. We're going to connect it now. It says to name the tag. You put a name on it, which we're going to do. I'm going to put car, or I should say in this case truck. We're going to hit continue. And you can put any kind of emoji you want on it. How about we just put a car on it? And we'll hit continue. It's asking you to agree to the terms of it, just so you know. Okay, so now it's all connected. That's what it looks like, just so you know. Let's see this. So if you lose it, that's where you can find, this way you can find where it's located. All right, we're going to stop it. Okay, this I could show you because it doesn't have any information such as that on it, but it shows you exactly where it's located, and it's right exactly where I'm located, where the product itself is. All right, so let's see what else I can do here. It says right there, okay. Okay, we're going to just shut that off because we are here. It tells you what the coordinates are. It says exactly where you're located. Okay, so let's turn this off. All right, so we'll see how this works. We're going to connect it up. We're going to put this in my car and we'll follow it on the app, on the Find My, and see exactly how it works. But it tells you here exactly how to set it up. It's very, very simple. As you see, connecting it up took me all of about, 30 seconds to set it up. So it was a fairly easy install. As I said, the thing that I like the best about it is it comes with these little holders on here already, so we can hang this on the key tag so we know exactly where it is. All right, I'll put a link down below the video. You can check it out in the store and see if it's something that suits your needs. One other very important thing I wanted to add here as well. Now, you know with the Apple AirTag, you cannot just change the battery in it, or not that I know of anyway. I'm just reading right here, and you can replace the batteries in this AirTag itself. And there's a little notch on the side right here. You open it up, and you can change the battery as needed. Now, supposedly these last a year, but I'm not sure. As I said, we just got it, but we'll see how that goes, and we'll see how long it actually lasts for. All right? Hope it was helpful, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.